Hello friends, I want to show you how to install older drivers in Windows 10. It took me a long time to figure this out. Finally, I found some good tips. So there are two tools that we can use. One is Universal Extractor and another is Driver Store Explorer. If the driver is, for example, from Windows 7 or Windows 8, you need to use this Universal Extractor. And if you already have the inf file, then you can use Driver Store Explorer. So first you need to go to your PC, System Settings, oh no, this is a new menu. Yeah, let's just do it this way. If you go to the old system settings, then you can go to System Settings and then you can go to Hardware and then you click this button here and then you set it to no, that you don't want to download updates. Otherwise, Windows Update will continue downloading the newest version of the driver. So you have to set it from yes, normally it's yes, you have to set it to no. Okay. And another copy of the drivers is kept in the driver store folder. That's why we need this tool called Driver Store Explorer. So I'm going to extract that. So yeah, we got that. So in my case, for example, I used the Driver Store Explorer to extract an old Windows 8 Bluetooth driver because the Windows 10 Bluetooth driver wasn't working. So first thing, you need to go to Universal Extractor and run the whole thing. You just go next. In settings, you have to enable beta updates. So enable beta updates. That's it. So then you close it again and then you start the Universal Extract Updater. So this will take some time. And there are basically three ways. You can also use the device manager. But sometimes it doesn't work with the device manager. You just press Windows button and X and then you select device manager. But the main problem is that you first need to uninstall the device. For example, in my case, I want to try installing an old wireless driver. Let's see, where's wireless? Network, yeah. I want to, for example, install an old wireless driver. Because this laptop came with Windows 8 and it was later updated to Windows 10. So then you can click here and click uninstall device. And then you need to check this box to delete the driver software. And then in the next step, you have to be really fast, because then you need to go to action and see, as long as the new driver is not installed, you have to right click it and click update driver. But this is, sometimes Windows is too fast and immediately updates the driver. So let me see. I want to try, for example, this PC recovery. I have the old drivers here. Drivers. So then I will try the old Wi-Fi driver. So first I will check if the Wi-Fi driver already is available as an INF file. So let me check. You have to select the correct version if you have 32-bit or 64-bit Windows. So let me check if the INF file is already there or not. Drivers. Windows 8. Yeah, looks like an INF file, cat file. Yeah, there's an INF file available. So this driver is already available, so you have to click here and copy this path. So by now the universal extractor is ready. I will show you this. Now universal extractor has updated to the latest beta version. So I will show you how to extract the driver from an old driver that is not available as an INF file in the second step. But first let me try to simply remove the wireless driver. And then I will try to be quick and immediately right click the device and go to update driver. So click here, action, search new hardware. So then I have to be click update, fast update driver. Then you go search on the computer, and then you have to paste the path to the driver that you copied before. Then you click next. So here again it didn't work, you know. I was not fast enough. Then Windows automatically again installed the newer driver, but I want to use the old driver. So in this case, if it's not working this way, then we have to use the other tool called Driver Store Explorer. So I'm going to run this. Yes. And this opens the Windows driver store, and then you can see all the drivers that are installed on the system. So you can see the different kind of devices, graphics device. Let me look for network. I can see Bluetooth. Yeah, here's a network driver. Oh, here, Bluetooth. Yeah, and this, with a Bluetooth driver this was working, but I'm not able to see network. Maybe this one. Yeah, it must be this one, because this is Intel Corporation network. So I will click on Add Driver, and then I will click here and paste the path to the driver. And then let me add this. Click refresh. Let's see. So let me see, this driver was supposed to be $17. Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit confusing about the driver version because here it says 17 and here I got a network adapter with version 15. Yeah, maybe I'm also doing something wrong because there were 3 inf files inside the folder. This was sort of confusing. Yeah, we can also try to run, was sort of confusing. I will try to run the universal extractor. So let me go here, universal extractor. Let's see, there we have the universal extractor. So now we will choose the setup file. Okay, one up, install, setup, open. We'll select the output path. Let's see, recovery, new folder. Let's call it okay. And then you select this one and click OK. And then you will scan the file and extract the drivers. So let's see. Might take some time. Yeah, it still seems to be running. Might take a couple of minutes. Okay, that didn't seem to be too successful. Yeah, this was definitely the wrong installation file, I guess. So we have to try it again. Let's try again on another executive file. Okay, let's select the output first. Output. Output. Okay, input. Let's see. Drivers. What's this? Yeah, but maybe you get the idea, you know. Maybe you get the idea that this is how it would work with a driver where you can get the inf. This is basically the idea. It was a case with my Bluetooth driver. I had to do it this way. But the main problem is that Windows keeps updating. And if I click this one, let's see what's happened. Generally, the problem is if you have like an old computer that didn't came with Windows 10, then many of the drivers, for example, all card reader, Realtek card reader drivers were not working. So as soon as I as soon as I as soon as I would insert a SD card, then unfortunately after a few seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute or something like this, then the uh, Windows 10 Realtek card reader driver would eject the card. I have no idea why. So we got a couple of different drivers now. I think this is the one, 17058. 17058. So let's check in the device manager what driver is installed. No, it installed the newer driver again, unfortunately. So let's try again. I will select uninstall. Oh no. Wait, why can't I delete the driver? Okay, whatever. I don't know why. I will select uninstall. And then I will try to refresh here and do it quick. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky. If it doesn't work on the device driver, then the only other option we have, so again 17.15.05. I wanted to install 17.058. So then the only other way I know personally is to just simply go here to the Drive Store Explorer and delete the drivers. So again, I have to delete driver, yes. Let's see if I can find a driver version 17.15 here somewhere. 19. I only see 17.058. Bluetooth, this is Bluetooth. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if it works now again in the device manager. I will go here. I will delete. No, again. Yeah, for some reason it is too fast or something like this. Let me try again. Because normally this other driver 17.15 shouldn't be there. I don't know exactly where Windows is getting that one from. Normally I should select uninstall and there should be a button to delete the driver. Normally it should work. Many times also network drivers cause the same problem after Windows automatically updates the network drivers and so I need to restart. I will try restarting and then let's see.